Hey everyone! You've heard of the 12 days of Christmas, right? Well, this holiday season, we've put together the 4Patriots version of this Christmas classic. It's all part of our 12 Days of Christmas event. And if you're wondering what our 4 Patriot elves included in the survival Yuletide bonanza, keep watching because we've put it into a song for you.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a survival food kit free. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 power cells and a survival food kit free. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 cocos, 2 power cells and a survival food kit free. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 sun kettles, 3 cocos, 2 power cells and a survival food kit free. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 4-week kits, 4 sun kettles, 3 cocos, 2 power cells and a survival food kit free. On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 6 battery packs, 5 4-week kits, 4 sun kettles, 3 cocos, 2 power cells and a survival food kit free. On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 food bar bundles, 6 battery packs, 5 4-week kits, 4 sun kettles, 3 cocos, 2 power cells and a survival food kit free. On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 8 halos flashing, 7 food bar bundles, 6 battery packs, 5 4-week kits, 4 sun kettles, 3 cocos, 2 power cells and a survival food kit free. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 9 blenders blending, 8 halos flashing, 7 food bar bundles, 6 battery packs, 5 4-week kits, 4 sun kettles, 3 cocos, 2 power cells and a survival food kit free. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 10 radios warning, 9 blenders blending, 8 halos flashing, 7 food bar bundles, 6 battery packs, 5 4-week kits, 4 sun kettles, 3 cocos, 2 power cells and a survival food kit free. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 meat and proteins, 10 radios warning, 9 blenders blending, 8 halos flashing, 7 food bar bundles, 6 battery packs, 5 4-week kits, 4 sun kettles, 3 cocos, 2 power cells and a survival food kit free. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 generators, 11 meat and proteins, 10 radios warning, 9 blenders blending, 8 halos flashing, 7 food bar bundles, 6 battery packs, 5 4-week kits, 4 sun kettles, 3 cocos, 2 power cells and a survival food kit free.
As you can see, there are plenty of gift-giving ideas here. Almost too many. Everything from food to solar power and more. And these are all tools to give anyone on your list, including yourself, greater peace of mind. Thanks for watching and singing along with us this week, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Have yourself a Merry Christmas.